and fold deeply forward over the legs, relaxing the head and the hands. Let's just try crossing the arms and really allowing gravity to do the work here of drawing the spine nice and long, the top of the head reaching down towards the floor. Let's come down to all fours, grab your towel, and we're again going to bring that towel right underneath the pelvis, so it's right underneath the pubic bone. Reach your arms back for locust. Beautiful. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. You're welcome to stay right there, or grab onto the tops of the feet or ankles, squeeze the shoulder blades together, and lift and open the chest. Upward facing bow pose. Bow pose. Really draw that chest forward. Nice. Try and keep the knees squeezing in towards the midline rather than letting them open out to the sides. Breathe deep and press the hips into the mat. Well done. Gently release. Bring the hands to the mat. Press back into child's pose. Take another full round of breath right here. Let's have the block nearby. We're going to transition down onto our backs for a nice variation of plow pose and bridge. So lift the hips up high and slide the block underneath your sacrum. Again, we've done this one before, so you can have it nice and low. And as long as the block is nice and flat and you feel steady, you can try floating maybe just one leg up, or you can try floating both legs up. It is important that you can feel that entire block placed right at the low back, and it's stretching right across the low back from one side to the other. Let the knees be soft and the feet just float right up in the air. Bring the left foot in towards the hip, then cross the leg to the outside of the right thigh. Right leg can be bent or straight. We know this twist. We've been doing this one for a while. Reach the right arm to the sky, then wedge the right elbow in front of the left thigh. Bring your left hand behind you and twist. Keep pressing that left hip down into the mat and growing long and tall from there. Chest is open, and we're letting go of any residual tension in the spine, fleshing it out. Come to center, send both legs out nice and long. Right foot in close, then to the outside of the left thigh, left leg bent or straight, your choice. That right hip heavy and grounded on the floor. Left arm to the sky, wedge it in front of that right leg, and bring the right fingertips behind you. Work, hug the knees in, reach for the outer edges of our feet for happy baby. Can stay more stationary or get playful here. Send the right leg out straight, then bend it, the left leg out straight. Both knees deeply bent. You can stay right here, or send both legs out to really straight. Keep trying to press that lower back into the mat. Beautiful. Let's take our time to gently release that. We're going to rock ourselves up to seated.